Is your BMW 3 Series E90 key fob unresponsive? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Symptoms include the remote not working at all or only functioning at very close range, about 10 to 20 feet. The E90 key fob, produced from 2006 to 2012, uses a CR232 3-volt lithium battery. Replacing this battery is a simple DIY task that can save you a trip to the dealership. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. We will cover the steps in the next section. Start by carefully prying open the key fob case. Use a flathead screwdriver or key fob tool, inserting it into the seam and gently twisting to separate the two halves. Be cautious not to damage the circuit board or rubber seals inside. Next, remove the old CR232 battery. Make note of the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the functionality of your remote lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the remote still doesn't work after the battery replacement, reprogramming may be needed, requiring a BMW diagnostic tool or a visit to the dealer.